Same thing. Oh yeah, here you go, hold this. And then check, yeah, I was gonna say check that one out. And then this one.
Oh wow.
This is the Lee Harvey Oswald style shit, man. Bolt action sniper rifle. With anyway, yeah. So bolt action sniper rifle with noob tube that comes off. Detachable noob tube.
As I said, I want one.
Yeah, I know, right? And holy shit!
So, you see anything you like there?
How much for this one?
$1.5 grand.